Hello, I'm Eduardo Irias from Tegucigalpa, Honduras. I'm 22 years old, and today I'm going to show you how to use GarageBand for iPad. I think GarageBand for iPad is a powerful tool for setting up ideas because you can set it up really easy. I'm going to show you how to create tracks, setting up that click and count off. Also, we're going to see some additional things as trimming and zooming on the recordings we have made. We're also going to see how to record efficiently on the iPad. So, here we go. So we're going to set 2 new recordings or 2 new tracks to this GarageBand project. Maybe later we can set up a guitar. One thing I gotta tell you is that these instruments are not connected to the iPad as well. If not, we're doing it inside the iPad. Okay, so here we go. So the first thing you're going to notice is that there is a list of instruments that you can use. In this case, we're going to select the one that's called Smart Drums. Here, you see this view, which is very easy to use. This says the loudness and the complex you want. Okay, so more to the right is more complex, and more top is more the loudness. I'm going to choose the Classic Studio Kit. Okay, so here you get this random generator of rhythms. If you want some inspiration, you can choose it. You can also do it manually. So let's say I want this kick to be this loud and this complex. I want the snare to be this loud and this complex. Now let's select the hi-hats to this. So with this red button, we're going to start the new recording. So, if you notice, we got the count in selected and the measurement selected. That's great. At the start, it gave me the time of 4, and when we were recording, we hear that tuk tuk tuk, which is called a measurement. Okay, so with our new recording, we see all our tracks here. Okay, and we see here's our smart drum. Now, let's say that we want this smart drum to loop all over our song. So we select here and we press loop. So there we go. We got a looping all over that track. Okay. Now let's add a new one. What about a bass? So we select the smart bass. In this case, I think the Liverpool is okay for me. And I want some notes. So let's try them. Okay, so let's try how it goes with the recording. Okay, I want to turn off the metron just to hear the drums. Okay, so I don't know if I like it, but let's try to record and improvise something. Okay, so let's go. So there we got our 2 tracks. Okay, the smart drums and the Liverpool,
Maybe I don't want it to be named Liverpool, so I can rename it very easily. And set is my base. Okay. Another thing you can see that GarageBand can do for us is to split the tracks or recording. Okay, in this case I'm not going to do it because I don't need to. And we can set up for 16 instruments. Okay, so we can also add a, let's search for a smart guitar. Okay, so what if I want the Red of Rocks guitar? I want some notes. Oops, sorry. So let's see if we can get into the song. I remember the notes were G, A, there was D, no, the C, D, okay. Yeah, so let's try to improvise again. Okay, okay, let's. So I think I like that. Let's try it. I'm not going to try here. Okay, so my compass just cut onto 8, and that's because we can set up the number of compass here. Now I think it's really a bad thing just to set them there if you're going to improvise, so you can set them to automatically, and they are going to grow as you are playing your song. Okay, so I think this is all for today. So this was a video for my class music production at Coursera, thanks to Berkeley University. Okay, so as you can see, GarageBand for iPad is a powerful tool if you wanna improvise or you got an idea of a song and you don't got like the instrument right there. So if you wanna test or you wanna know how it will sound,